Hey guys, last fan of the night.
Last fan of the night.
And this is, I think the 5th Dayton Lasko. We've got 2 more to test. One, I want to try to, it's the most yellowed, so I want to try to de-yellow it first. I'm going to take the parts home to work on that. And then there's another one that we threw up and tested, but it was very slow. So we're going to not bother with that one until there's we got some new capacitors in stock. But this one seemed fast enough, so let's test it out.
Okay.
Go ahead and check out the previous videos for our Dayton Lasko stories, as well as the types of the different generations of these. These are 3rd generation, which is my favorite, although I also would really like to find a 1st gen. Overall, these aren't very badly yellowed.
Mm-hmm.
You want to tack it on low, or you want to wait till high?
All right, let's. 323. Oh, it's still climbing.
It's going to be around 80, so that's fine. I mean, we don't have to, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh, it's climbing. It's climbing. It's like 338.
That's 85.
Yeah.
So we're in the ballpark.
Yeah, it's. Alright, well, this one also, the dongle is literally at my chest.
Good. This one's missing the counter. This is the only one missing the counter.
Yep. Here's medium. Alright, attack. $5.14.
It's going to be around 130.
Yep.
Even if it climbs, it'll still be around 130.
Yeah, actually, I'm getting. Alright. And here is high.
Pretty good airflow.
Yep.
Hitting 0.82.
$7.39.
So that's 185.
Yeah.
I think that's the fastest one we tested so far. Like, we'll see again when we get some new capacitors. We'll see where we end up. But I think of these, that's with the original capacitors, that's the fastest.
Okay, let's get a CFM.
With the tachometer.
472 on this one.
Okay, yeah, 8,000. K55 category. We'll do spin down.
Yep.
So this one will probably start at 5 too. Then the ones that have the better of the capacitors seem to be all performing about the same.
Mm-hmm.
You know what else?
What?
Crunch, crunch, crunch. So I'm trying to think if there's any place where I saw these as a kid that they're still installed there. Or even any place that they're still installed, period, where we didn't put them there.
Oh.
There's a grocery store somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Todd took a picture of it. I've never actually been there.
Okay.
There's a grocery store somewhere in the middle of nowhere that still has one installed.
And I remember I told you the 40-inch ones of the previous generation, not
Yeah.
the fourth,
Yeah.
are up in that northern Minnesota town. So.
Yep. There's a apartment building down on campus that has the 40-inch ones. They used to be a firehouse. I'm curious if they're originals of the firehouse or because I don't know when it was converted into apartments. But those are still there. I've seen them through the window.
Okay.
Bearings are a little stiff on this one.
Yeah, but I still think it's going to start on 5.
Yep, probably.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Fudged.
5.
Yep.
Six. Seven. We're on 7.
Okay.
And because, you know what comes 8.
Oh, dear.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh, might as well keep going.
9. 10.
Sperry, beverage of fan collectors.
Yep. And after 10 comes 11, which I know is going to be the last
Yeah.
value with these.
At least with these capacitors, I'll be very curious to see if it's different with new capacitors.
Yep. And here comes 12.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh, the rain's coming back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, let's keep going.
13.
It's interesting that there seems to be a pretty big jump between 8 and 12.
Yeah. 14. 15. I think I'm right on high.
Pretty close to it. Try 16, see what happens.
16.
Hit the high switch. Yep, you're over.
Okay.
Well, solid state. These have been pretty consistently bedroom quiet.
Yeah.
Do you want me to do the control and you can stand up there and listen because it's kind of hard to hear with the rain?
Yeah. Go ahead.
It's a good medium right there. You hear anything?
Just that faint hum.
Nice.
You have to get up close to it to even.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Why don't you stop it by hand and we'll do bedroom quiet. Or not bedroom quiet, excuse me. We'll do 0 to high. Went up to 8.7, so it's big inrush like the others.
Okay.
And while it's getting up to speed, let's think. Well, again, we know Cannibal Corpse, Avocado Appliance, and high end of Menards. So let's thank our sponsors. We can make this one a pretty quick video.
Okay.
This video is brought to you by the following sponsors: Sandstick, Lightstick, Taco Burrito Mexico, Spirit, the beverage of fan collectors, The Good Manufacturing Company, 81220 LLC, where our motto is crunch, 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 crunch. RickOrSheep.com, a fun game you can play with your friends. For more information, go to RickOrSheep.com. Power Vacuum, the vacuum with more vacuums. U-Dong batteries.
Unplug the Variac while you're over there.
I think of U-Dong.
Major funding for this series is provided by the Corporation of Northern Broadcasting and by the annual financial support of viewers like you.
Well, that's it for this video. So we'll be back here Sunday to make more fan videos, hopefully with Jack. I thought I heard something. That might have just been the rain. Oh, who's that at the door? Hey, look, it's Metal Jonas.
Oh, lovely doorbell. It's a new tone and an Edwards long chime.
You looking for anything, Metal Jonas?
You have any Homestead catalog?
I have one.
Or Emerson catalogs?
I have one.
Or New Tone catalog?
I have 7.
Oh.
What do you think of the House on the Rock, Metal Jonas?
Oh, House on the Rock. One word, incredible. One word, overwhelming. One word, amazing. Wow.
Well, that's it for now, but we'll be back here soon, so please continue to keep watching. Thanks for watching, and what should they buy?
Fan stick.
And,
Powermate.
and,
Sperry.
and Pedro's is the answer I'm looking for.
Pedro's.
Thanks for watching.